हेलो एवरीवन। हम 500 वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की एक सीरीज चला रहे हैं जिसका ये फोर्थ पार्ट है और ये वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन एसएससी में बहुत बार पूछे गए हैं। तो इसमें हम 151 से लेकर 200 तक कवर करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। फर्स्ट वर्ड इज कार्निवोर, ईट्स द फ्लेश ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स, मांस भक्षी। कैटलॉग, a complete list of items, for example things that people can look at. सूची। circumlocution, spelling है CIRCUMLOCUTION, using more words than are necessary instead of speaking or writing in a clear direct way. कपटपूर्ण बातें। congregation, spelling है CONGREGATION, a group of people who are gathered together in a church to worship God. धार्मिक सभा। cordial, CORDIAL, warm and sincere, हार्दिक। Credulous, CREDULOUS, ready to believe things and therefore easy to trick, भोला भाला। Curator, CURATOR, a people whose job is to be in charge of the object or works of art in museum or art gallery. संग्रहाध्यक्ष। Demagogue, DEMAGOGUE, a political leader who tries to win support by using arguments based on emotion rather than reason. दुर्जनों का नेता। Dermatology, DERMATOLOGY, a scientific study of skin disease. त्वचा विज्ञान। Dilettante, DELETTANTE, a person who does or studies something but is not serious about it and does not have much knowledge. A dabbler in the art and literature. Anuragi. Ecology, ECOLOGY, a study of the relation of plants and living creatures to each other and to their environment. Paristhitiki. Edible, EDIBLE, fit, suitable to be eaten. Khadya. Emissary, a person who is sent to deliver an official message from one country to another or to perform a special task. इसकी स्पेलिंग है EMISSARY. दूत। Empathy, EMPATHY, the ability to understand another person's feeling, experience, etc. संवेदना। Endemic, ENDEMIC, regularly found in particular place or among a particular group of people and difficult to get rid of. A disease that is prevalent in a particular area. स्थानिक। Ephemeral, EPHEMERAL, lasting, used for using a short period of time. क्षणिक। Epigraph, an engraved inscription, शिलालेख। Epitome, EPITOME, a person or thing that is perfect example of particular quality or type. प्रतीक। Eternal, ETERNAL, continuing forever, सनातन। Exemplary, EXEMPLARY, severe punishment used as a warning to others, providing a good example for people to copy. अनुकरणीय। Expatriate, EXPATRIATE, a person living in a country that is not his own, प्रवासी। Fidelity, FIDELITY, loyalty, accuracy, सत्य के प्रतीक। निष्ठा, ओके, सत्य के प्रति निष्ठा। Fugitive, FUGITIVE, a person who has escaped in running away from somewhere and is trying to avoid being caught. Bhagoda. Geography, GEOGRAPHY, the scientific study of Earth's surface, physical feature, division, products, population. Bhugol. Gregarious, GREGARIOUS, liking to be with other people, living in groups, झुंड में रहने वाला। Hallucinate, HALLUCINATION, hallucination, the fact of seeing, hearing something that is not really there. Maya. Hedonist, HEDONIST, a person who believes that pleasure is the most important thing in life. Sukhwadi. Herbivores, HERBIVOROUS, animal that feed on plants. Shakahari. Heresy, HERESY, a belief or an opinion that is against the principle of particular religion. Vidharma. Honorary, giving as an honor. Manya. Horticulture, HORTICULTURE, the study, practice of growing flowers, fruits and vegetables. बागवानी. हाइड्रोफोबिया, HYDROPHOBIA, एक्सट्रीम फियर ऑफ वाटर, पानी से भय. इंसेंटिव, INCENTIVE, something that encourages you to do something, प्रोत्साहन. Infanticide, INFANTICID, the crime of killing the baby, शिशु हत्या. Itinerate, ITINERATE, traveling from place to place, especially to find work, भ्रमणकारी. It is juxtapose, JUXTAPOSE, placed side by side, मिलाना. Maiden, being the first of its kind, speech, journey by a plane, ship, etc. प्रथम. Masochist, MASOCHIST, someone who obtains pleasure from receiving punishment, परपीड़न, कामुक. Megalomania, MEGALOMANIA, a mental illness condition in which somebody has an exaggerated belief in their own importance, power. अहंकारोन्माद. Misogamist, a person who hates marriage, विवाह से घृणा. Neutral, NEUTRAL, not supporting, helping either side in a disagreement, competition, etc. तटस्थ. Novice, NOVICE, a person who is new and has little experience in a skill, job or situation, नौसिखिया. Obscure, OBSCURE, not clearly understood or experienced, अस्पष्ट. Omniscient, knowing everything, सर्वज्ञ. Palpable, PALPABLE, able to be touched or felt, स्पर्शनीय. Parricide, PARRICIDE, the crime of killing your father, mother or a close relative, पितृघातक. Patrimony, PATRIMONY, property that is given to somebody when his father dies, विरासत. Perseverance, PRSEVERANCE, the quality of continuing to try to achieve particular aim despite difficulties, दृढ़ता. Pessimist, PESSIMIST, a person who always expects bad thing to happen or something not to be successful, निराशावादी. Philanderer, PHILANDERER, a man who has sexual relationship with many different women, इश्कबाज. तो यहाँ तक हमने कंप्लीट किया 151 से 200 वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम 201 से 250 तक कंप्लीट करेंगे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आप इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच.